Hey everybody, it is Kiwi. I am pumped to share with you guys the difference between cleaning with toxic chemicals and cleaning with microfiber and water. Everything that you're going to learn during this workshop is going to show you how much faster, easier, safer it is to clean with a cloth and water, and it's going to save you. I said faster, but it's going to save you money too. Did I say that? It's going to save you tons of money. So if you would like a little extra wiggle room in your pocketbook, you want to think about swapping out these harmful chemicals with Norwex. I am going to show you why these wipes that are classified with the EPA as a pesticide and per their warning on the back is hazardous to humans and domestic animals. Y'all, you do not want to be using these all over your home. You don't want them in your home. You want to just be able to use something that is sustainable, that is cost effective, and does a better job because it's physically removing. Okay, so let's take a look at that. Let's see what it looks like. I am going to be showing you using this glow powder. This powder simulates bacteria. Okay, so that you can physically see it. It glows when I apply a black light on it. This is so that you can see what's on the surface, right? It simulates bacteria. So I've got this mirror here. I am going to take some of this glow powder. I don't need a lot. And I'm gonna smear it on here. Okay, so you can see we have a generous amount, and if I were to use this, you could see that it glows. Okay, if I was to go like this, you can see where it's smeared. Why is this important? You will see other videos, pictures, and when you see something glowing, oh, it's the stuff that illuminates when it's the stuff that simulates bacteria and illuminates. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Illuminates with black light. So I'm gonna use my Envirocloth to just clean my hands, because not only does it clean your surfaces, it gets my hands clean too. Check that out, okay? So look, I can see where I missed. Isn't that amazing? So this is going to show you the difference between these wipes and the Envirocloth. So here's a wipe I just took out of the container. And I'm gonna clean this just like I was cleaning a desk, right? Or a counter or a toy. I've wiped on one side, and now I'm gonna wipe on the other side and make sure that I've gotten it thoroughly wet. And in fact, the instructions on these to disinfect say that you need to leave it on the surface for a minimum of 4 minutes. Some of them are as much as 12 to 15 minutes. If you're using chemicals, you need to read the instructions and make sure you're following the proper instructions, or it's not working. Okay, now on this side, I'm gonna take my Envirocloth. And all I need to do is wipe it up and down. Without even using the black light, guys, you can see which side is clean, right? This side's squeaky clean. All right, let me hold it like this. So, can you see which side is reflecting and which one has everything removed? Removed and still sitting on the surface. So, let's think of those desks again at school and those toys, and you've wiped off one toy where a kid was playing with it and they had stuck it in their mouth. Maybe they have a cold, right? And you go and wipe the other one because it's still wet. Because the wipe's still wet, you're like, it's good. And remember, anything that you see reflecting means that it is a simulated germ. It's showing you where that bacteria is. Check this out. Now it has smeared over the whole surface. Okay, so when you are going from desk to desk to desk, your counter to your stainless steel, your high touch areas, with a wipe, you are transferring that from surface to surface. And if you're not letting it sit pooled for at least 4 minutes, it is not removing anything. It's not killing anything. So instead, we can physically remove. Look, I'm gonna just do a streak right here so you can see. So think about this. Where on your surface where you might miss. When you are mechanically cleaning, look at that. I just swiped over this. When you are mechanically cleaning, you are physically removing everything from the surface. Our cloths have the power to remove 99.9% of bacteria from every surface. So we are talking not just windows and mirrors, but our stainless steel, our counters, granite, formica, tile, whatever your surface is, it is going to clean it up. It is safe for all natural stones. It's just a cloth and water, and it's physically removing everything. So when you are looking at this now, notice there are no streaks, there's no lint, right? There's nothing left behind. It has all been physically removed from the Envirocloth. So let's take a look. Do you see now that my cloth is glowing? Because it has transferred everything to this cloth. But our cloth is amazing because it is the size of a hair split 200 times. So if I was to unravel this cloth, it has enough microfiber to stretch from the Gulf of Mexico all the way to Canada. And this cloth, so it traps everything in the fibers. So look, I'm just using the same side that you just saw glowing. Do you see anything transfer? No, you don't, because it's trapped in the cloth. So you can use this cloth over and over and over again. In fact, so let's just quickly touch on proper use and care, which we will go over further. But look at this, guys. It's like you're looking in a window instead of a mirror. You are not gonna see any type of streaks or lint. So say goodbye to having to buy wipes, say goodbye to having to pay paper towels. So you are literally replacing your chemical cleaners with these two cloths. So after you use it, I want you to walk over to your sink, run it under warm water is best because it's gonna open up the fibers. Get that cloth frisky, rub it against itself. That's going to help get all the gunk out. We're talking raw chicken juice. We're talking pet messes. We're talking cleaning your toilets. Yes, color coordinate your cloths so that you don't have your own personal ick factor, but I just showed you it doesn't transfer, it gets sucked into those microscopic fibers, okay? So rinse it, wring it out, and then hang it by the tag. Our fibers are embedded with silver. It's called our backlock, and that silver self-purifies the cloth as it dries. So minus when you're doing like those kitchen chicken cleanup or the pet messes, rinse those out, throw them in the washer and dryer. We call those our one and done, right? Just you follow your own ick factor. But other than that, rinse it, hang it to dry, and then you can throw this in your washer and dryer every week to 2 weeks. Our cloths have a 2-year warranty. Proper use and care, they're gonna last you 5, 10, 15 years, okay? So follow those instructions, super, super easy to use. Use this cloth wet, it's called our Envirocloth, and you follow up for any of those high shine surfaces. Think granite, windows, mirrors, stainless steel. You're gonna polish it dry with our window cloth. Okay, so these, you wanna have both of them, wet and use this one dry. Super easy, super fast, save you time and money, and you're not gonna have to worry about having harmful toxic chemicals that are listed as a pesticide with the EPA. You're not gonna have to worry about the fragrances, the phthalates that are gonna disrupt your endocrine system, that are gonna destroy your gut health, your microbiome, okay? These are not something that you want in your home, so save that money, save the environment, no more waste, no more paper towels, okay? Thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions, and also make sure to comment. Tell me, right, tell me which, where you're gonna replace paper towels and chemical cleaners. Like tell me, where are you gonna replace wipes? Can you see yourself doing this in your kitchen, in your bathroom? Comment below, let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, thank you so much. Have a fabulous day. Bye.